Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to increase the max volume on your iPhone? You can do this by pressing the volume buttons on the left side of your iPhone, but sometimes it may not be enough. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the volume to its maximum level on your iPhone. Let's go. The first thing you should do is to clean the speaker of your iPhone. There is probably dust that blocks the capacity of your phone to deliver the maximum volume. You can clean your speaker the easiest and safest way possible by using a soft brush or a cleaning clay so that you don't damage your iPhone. If that still does not increase the volume, then you can try the next solution. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Music. Find Sound Check and turn it off because if enabled, it equalizes the volume, therefore you cannot hear loud audios. Then tap on the equalizer labeled as EQ and select an audio to activate it. Take note that this does not necessarily increase the volume of your iPhone, but rather enhances the sound quality to make it more audible. Also, there are additional options here that can make your audio play louder, namely the late night, spoken word, and Latin functions, which are probably the loudest EQ mixes in there. Another thing you can do is to go to cellular streaming and set it to high quality so that you will get better sound quality. If those steps are not enough for you and now you want to increase your Bluetooth headphone volume, follow along the next steps. Go back to the main settings page, tap on Sounds and Haptics, and navigate to Headphone Safety. Make sure that Reduce Loud Sounds is deactivated so that your audio remains unrestricted. Finally, you can try increasing the volume of your AirPods as well. While on Settings, go to Accessibility, then look for Audio Visual. Enabling headphone accommodations so that you see the slight, moderate, and strong sliders. These options will amplify the sound of your AirPods depending on how you adjust the slider. You can also apply it with your phone calls or media player, whichever you prefer. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.